What could be cool about manufacturing? Take this.
What's that?
I don't know.
Whoa!
My father took his passion of what he was good at and ended up starting Atlas Machining and Welding. Whatever anybody needs, they know they can call us, whether they need machining, fabricating, laser cutting, mechanical repair, assembly. I mean, you name it, we're here. We take pride in being able to help people make their products come to life. Anything our customers can dream up, we can make.
Wow, welding.
I was about 20. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do. I was in the National Guard. I just didn't find the career path that I was happy with yet. I saw my grandfather welding when I was a little boy, and I always thought it looked cool, so I just thought, all right, I'll go try it. I actually went to Triangle Tech, and I got an associate's degree in applied science in welding and fabrication. I tried it. I don't think I'll ever stop. You know, I love it. I get to play with fire and make things move. At the end of the day, I can look at something and say, I helped build that.
At Atlas, an old part
can be reverse engineered to become new again.
Machining, awesome!
I run the Marasiki vertical bridge mill. Manufacturing is cool because you can take something that is nothing and make it into something spectacular. Seeing my product in use gives me a sense of accomplishment. Kids go into math class and they'll say, well, when am I ever going to use math in the real world? Well, we use math every day here.
Atlas is a great place to work because I get to do something different every day of the week. It's a good career because you'll be in demand in the future.
Laser cutting, what?
It's a lot more personal here at Atlas. It's a little bit more than a team. Everybody's a little bit more connected. Everybody's always looking out for the next guy's best interest when it comes to designing a part or putting out a good product. The type of student that would be good for manufacturing is someone who likes to think outside the box, work with their hands, very creative, and has to have a good imagination.
We're the people who help the other manufacturers like Nestle Waters, Air Products, Mack Trucks, Crayola get the products made. Atlas is my family. Away from home is my second family. I'm so proud of the fact that everybody here has the same drive and passion that my father started with, and that's why we're where we are today.
Atlas. If you can dream it, they can do it.